So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic Green Transformation Process for the subject Green Computing. So Green Transformation Project, what or maybe the dimension of the business, the project or the infrastructure and system, we are going to transform the entire system, the existing system into green transformation. So which is eco-friendly environment. It will minimize the carbon transmission, the carbon footprint. So the phases are diagnose, plan, enact and review. All the plans phases are iterative. Number of iteration required for a successful transformation to be decided by the Chief Green Officer. So to identify the objectives of Green Transformation Framework, to identify current status of the organization, you have to enlist the goals. The goals will be identified, updated and finalized through the diagnosis work. To add justification for the project using ROI calculation within a business case. To have to provide the target metrics to organize and the actual program. So green transformation process will be having the 4 phases: diagnose, plan, enact. So as such we will be identifying what are the things that's present. Then we have to minimize the carbon emission as well as it should be eco-friendly. So organization focus will be having the top level strategic plan. So as it is, then it will be transformed into, so it will be having so many basic questions. So how it can be implemented in the strategic level. So then what are the transformation things you have to be parameter to be considered. That is the concern of Chief Green Officer. So the business model deals with the way in which the business is organized. It influences and changes the business model to reflect the green priorities of the organization. So product and service portfolio get results the organization to have new green products, also dropping the carbon intensive projects. Then customer and partner describe the external parties. Then business process model describe the way in which the activities and business are sequenced and carried out. So how to configure a great get roadmap. A major consideration. So how to consider the type and size of the organization, nomination of roles and responsibilities, formulation of the entire enterprise transformation board, diagnose, plan, enact, review and measure. So all the phases are iterative. So get program, roles and deliverables. So CEO is a chief executive officer. He is the responsible nominate the board, the experts and the leaders and the members. Will be having the GTB. So GTB will be responsible for the green transformation champion. So GTB is drawn from the organization. So they will be diagnose, the functions are diagnose, plan, enact, review. So setting up the business transformation office, we will be having the physical activity of the BTO is undertaken. So we will be having housing the transformation board which provides the administrative support. You have to form the transformation work areas. Where are the areas that will have the major transformation needed, so which will produce the more carbon emission. Then we'll have the impact waste and disposal thing is it's of a great problem. So green IT project roles. The role of green IT project includes the business partners, business architect, technical architect, green IT champion. So the GTC includes the formulation leadership, the constitution of GetB. So he'll be having the benchmark. So that is to be in state as it is what to be achieved. We have to manage the budget. So it will be conjunction with the green HR. So the business architect and variation, GTC is will appoint the business architect. So will the business architect takes a long-term view of the organization, how long the business will go. So in what are the areas to be modified to achieve the green transformation. So business partners, they'll collide and they'll participate, collaborate, interface and integrate. We'll be having green IT auditors, that is the main feature of GEMS. The end users represents user groups, maybe more than one.